When it comes to preparing hearty, delicious meals with minimal effort, this Hamilton Beach programmable slow cooker with the 6-quart stovetop-safe sear and cook crock is the perfect solution. Whether you're hosting a family dinner, cooking for a crowd, or simply want a meal that's easy to prepare, this slow cooker delivers exceptional performance, versatility, and flavor. With its unique stovetop searing feature, intuitive programming options, and easy-to-clean design, the Hamilton Beach 6-quart slow cooker makes meal prep simpler and more flavorful than ever before. In this detailed review, we'll dive into why this slow cooker should be a must-have in your kitchen and how it stands out from the competition. Why the Hamilton Beach programmable slow cooker is a must-have for your kitchen. The Hamilton Beach programmable slow cooker with its stovetop-safe sear and cook crock is a game changer for anyone who loves home-cooked meals but doesn't want to spend hours in the kitchen. This innovative appliance combines multiple functions into one sleek, easy-to-use device, giving you all the flexibility you need to cook a wide variety of dishes to perfection. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the Hamilton Beach programmable slow cooker is the ability to sear directly on the stovetop. The removable, non-stick aluminum pot can be used on gas, electric, or ceramic stovetops, allowing you to sear meats and vegetables to enhance their flavor before finishing the cooking process in the slow cooker. This feature provides the convenience of one-pan cooking while ensuring that every meal is bursting with savory goodness. Flexibility is key when it comes to slow cooking, and this slow cooker offers 15 heating options to fit your needs. You can easily choose between high, low, or warm heat settings, and then select the ideal cooking time from 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10 hours. This versatility allows you to mix and match heat levels and cooking times to get the perfect texture and flavor, whether you're making soups, stews, roasts, or casseroles. The 6-quart capacity of the Hamilton Beach slow cooker makes it ideal for preparing large meals that feed 7 or more people. It's perfect for cooking a 6-pound chicken or a 4-pound roast, ensuring that everyone at the table enjoys a hearty portion. The large capacity also makes it great for entertaining, as it allows you to prepare buffet-style meals for guests with ease. One of the most convenient features of the Hamilton Beach programmable slow cooker is the automatic keep warm function. Once the cooking time is complete, the cooker automatically switches to the keep warm setting to maintain your meal at the perfect temperature. This means you don't have to worry about your food getting cold if you're not quite ready to serve. It will stay warm until you're ready to enjoy it. Cleaning up after cooking can often be the most time-consuming part of meal prep, but with this slow cooker, cleanup is a breeze. Both the removable crock and lid are dishwasher-safe, making it incredibly easy to clean after each use. The non-stick aluminum pot ensures that food doesn't stick to the surface, further reducing your effort when it comes time to wash up. The Hamilton Beach programmable slow cooker is built to last, featuring a sturdy design with a non-stick aluminum pot that stands up to regular use. The sleek silver finish adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen, and the durable construction ensures that the cooker can handle all your culinary experiments, whether you're using it daily or for occasional meals. Why choose the Hamilton Beach programmable slow cooker? Versatile. Sear on stovetop for enhanced flavor. Spacious. 6-quart capacity for large meals. Customizable. 15 heating settings for tailored cooking. Keep warm. Automatically keeps food warm. Easy cleanup, dishwasher-safe lid, and non-stick crock. Multifunctional, perfect for slow cooking, roasting, and sautéing. Perfect for busy families and home cooks. This Hamilton Beach 6-quart programmable slow cooker is designed to simplify meal preparation without sacrificing flavor. Whether you're a busy family looking for an easy way to cook dinner, or a seasoned home chef who wants more control over cooking times and temperatures, this slow cooker is ideal. It offers the perfect balance of functionality, convenience, and performance, making it a must-have for anyone who loves great food without the hassle. If you're ready to cook with confidence, the Hamilton Beach programmable slow cooker is waiting for you. Whether you're searing meats, slow cooking soups, or making a delicious roast, this slow cooker offers everything you need for stress-free, flavorful meals. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.